Hey everyone, I'm here to share something that's really not new, but you might not be making use of it right now. And it's Google Chat. So Google Chat is yet another, uh, Google Suite software or app that we have access to with our school accounts. And it's really easy to find if you're on your account, you're logged in, and you go to the little Google Apps option up here. Google Chat is right there. If it's not up here, you can probably just scroll down and find it, but it should be up with the main apps. So when you open Google Chat, if you are of a certain age, you recognize that it does look like an older um, online chat room, I guess you could say. It's really simple, it's really easy to use. The reason why this might be a good thing for us at the school is because if you're used to using Remind to communicate with your students, or if you're just looking for an easy place to send quick messages to your students, this would be a good place to do that. You can add someone to message individually. So if you click on chat, or even if you click on the search bar, um, you can add just a single person. And these obviously are my most common people that I communicate with. And it pulls from your um, contact list. So in your school account, it will pull everyone from the CPS contact list. The other thing that you can do is you can create rooms, and that would be really useful for entire classes, right? So you could add a room here. You could add a room name. So, for example, I don't know, English 7L1. You can choose to allow people outside of your organization. It defaults to only CPS. So in this case, for if you're doing a classroom, you want to make sure that only people with CPS emails can join, and you will notify them the first time you send via email. So you click on create, and you can add people here, or you could have added in the other create option. I kind of skipped that part. So you would be able to add all your students over here. I believe you should be able to just copy and paste from PowerSchool the list of student emails from each class. So that should make things pretty easy. And then you just send invitations to all of them. They would get that invitation on their school email. So it might be a good idea to, communicate with them first through some other place like Schoology and say, hey, look out for this invitation. When they get the invitation and they click on it, they'll open up to the same page that you're seeing right here. So a kid who gets an invitation would just get right into this room when they click on it. Another thing that you can do with this, it is an app that can be downloaded on your phone or even on your computer. I have here on the bar, I have my chat as an app, and it's on my desktop right here. So I can just click on it, and it opens up automatically to Google Chat, and I can just leave it on my bar here all day in case I need to communicate with people. But students can download this on their phones, and it would be just like Remind. It would be something that they can chat with you on really easily on their phones. Um, so again, it's not really new. It's been there for a long time. But if you're looking for a different way to communicate with your students or your parents, uh, this could be something really useful. Uh, I think this is pretty much it in terms of sending messages. It is basically just here on the bar, and you can obviously add emojis, you can add files, you can put Google Drive files in here, and you can even start a meeting uh, from the conversation. So if you're having, a chat with a student and they really need to talk to you, you can just start a meeting right away from that button. So it makes it really easy. But it is something really just basic for communication. If you have any questions about it, just let us know in the library and we can work with you. For now, we'll just stay right here. All right. Hope this helps everyone, and I hope you all have a good day.